All right, so for this one it says if the quantity x minus 1 equals, or over 3 equals k, and k equals 3, what's the value of x? So let's write that out. I'm going to say x minus 1 over 3 is equal to k, but we were told that k is equal to 3, so I'm just going to set that equal to 3. Now remember, we want to get x by itself and all the other stuff on the other side. The easiest way to do that is the inverse operation. So we're going to do the inverse. Now, inverse is a fancy math word that really kind of means opposite, but I don't want to use the word opposite. In fact, I'm not even going to write it down. So to move this 3 away, what is the 3 doing to the x?
Is this what we're doing?
Yep, and I'm recording. We're dividing by 3. So what's the inverse of division? The inverse of division is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 on this side, and whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. This 3 will cancel with this 3. Really, 3 divided by 3 is 1. And that 1 times x minus 1 is just x minus 1. What's 3 times 3? 9. So now to move that negative 1 or minus 1 away from the x, I got to think, what is the inverse of minusing? Subtracting. What's the inverse of that? Adding. So to move this 1 away from the x, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. I get x equals 10. So the answer for this one is D. Does anybody have any questions on that?
No.